Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Today we again will take a look at the Great British Pound, because as you know, euro currency, it's some kind of the fever action, because market is just changes the direction drastically every day. So about the uncertainty on the quantitative easing program in Europe, so rumors suggest that European Central Bank should cut its program of the bond buying. So that now stands approximately the 80 billions per month as European Central Bank is buying bonds on the open market. So, and recently it was rumored that probably they should contract this program, reduce the volume of the bond purchasing on the market, but every day situation is changing, and in this as a result, the euro shows the fever action. So yes, just a couple days ago we discussed this possible breakout of the 1130. Right at the evening, market has returned back up to the 1225. Right now it's again showing the gradual drop. So, but in general, the close price stands around the 112 area. That's why on the euro currency I don't think that's really interesting right now. So we need to see what will happen, but it seems that as right now nobody suggests that euro currency should continue move higher, so there's no reason for that. And from that standpoint, we think that the downward breakout is just a question of time, so it probably should happen. On the Great British Pound, action is a bit more attractive, because here we see the execution of the some rules of the technical analysis. So market behaves very well from the technical point of view. It's absolutely logical action that we see right now. So yesterday we have discussed the breakout of this triangle, and this market has hit intermediate target around 127 area. So this is 127 extension of the butterfly that we have here on daily chart. Trend is bearish. Market already has broken through the all weekly pivots, and right now stands in an area of the monthly pivot support 1. So if you see this lime line, this is a monthly pivot support 1. So this is not really superb support, but it's still, this is the support, and that's why we probably could count on some minor bounce here somewhere, at least in an area of 128. So retesting of these lows, probably that lows, market could retest them. But after that, we suggest that market should continue move lower, because our medium-term target stands at 124.50, 125 area. That being said, following this suggestion, we have two issues. The first one is on intraday chart. So if you're a scalp trader, you could try to trade this possible bounce up on the long side. But for the daily analysis, the most attractive is the existence of this level. It's 128, 128.50. as a potential level for taking the short position in downward continuation. That's been said, from the perspective of the daily analysis, we have no intention to trade market on the long side, but instead we will be watching for reaching of this resistance and try to take the short position in downward continuation. That's the major idea on the daily chart. On the intraday charts, guys, also market has completed this ABCD pattern. As you can see, 1618 target has been hit. And yesterday we have discussed the chance of appearing some double repo pattern, or maybe bread and butter, or some pattern that's Jordan Apple directional patterns. Here, as you can see, right now we have the chance to get the double repo buy, because we have thrust down. Okay, close above the 3x3. This green line is the 3x3 moving average. Close above 3x3, it's minor candle. Close below, second top is relatively stands in the same depth as the first. Maybe market even will show some downward continuation here. As soon as we will get it close above again, this will be the confirmation bar for the double repo buy pattern, and particularly this pattern could trigger the upward retracement. Potentially, we will be watching for this area, as I said, 128.50 area. This is confidence resistance on the daily chart. Also, guys, this will be the 50% level of the thrust. I don't have the fib levels from the thrust from this top to this bottom that we should use when we trade the double repo. But as you know, the minimum target of the double repo is the 50% fib level, and if you will draw these levels from this thrust, from this top to this bottom, you will see that 50% will be approximately in the same area. That's why I think that we could use just this confidence. It will be sufficient. This will be enough. Also, guys, 28.50, as you could see, this previous lows on the daily chart. So right here, 28.70, 28.50, it's previous lows. That's why it will be a resistance that we will be watching for as potential destination point of the retracement, and is potential levels for possible taking the short position. So that's our trading plan on the Great British Pound. Now we just need to see and whether market indeed will complete the double repo pattern and whether the retracement will start. Well, that's what we'll be watching for on the cable in the nearest time.